Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set Do Not Disturb mode on MOVA V50 Ultra vacuum. In order to set the Do Not Disturb mode, you'll need to click on three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down to more functions, then you'll find Do Not Disturb mode, and now you can turn it on or off, and you can add more Do Not Disturb modes for different periods of time, or you can edit the currently existing one. It's basically going to change the time. You can of course have multiple Do Not Disturb mode throughout the day, and then you can select what the Do Not Disturb mode will do. You can lower the voice volume, you can disable auto empty, which means that if the robot goes into the station after the cleaning, it won't automatically empty, and probably it will do it once the Do Not Disturb mode comes to an end. And there's disable resume cleaning, which if the robot goes back to the station once the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So let's say you've started a task at 9:50 p.m. It was cleaning for like half an hour, and then it was returning to the station to recharge or clean or whatever. It won't resume, and it'll probably also resume after Do Not Disturb mode is finished, after Do Not Disturb mode comes to an end. But I'm not really sure whether it will resume. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.